Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and these are my cheddar buttermilk biscuits. All right, we're gonna make our cheddar buttermilk biscuits. So we're gonna go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Everybody's making noise, dogs are sneezing, cat doesn't know how to meow anymore. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I know we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, you do need sugar. This is not for flavor. This is to amplify flavors. This is baking soda. We need half a teaspoon. Okay, now you need 1.5 teaspoons of some salt. I'm using Chef Dad's smoked salt. Perfect amount. Okay, we only got a couple other ingredients to go in, which is our butter, our cheese, and our buttermilk. Whisk it up. Want to make sure everything gets incorporated. And I'm doing this a couple times because I want it to be done a couple times. So before the buttermilk, I'm going to go in with the cheese. We are going to save the bowl because we are going to grate our butter into this bowl. Try and keep everything cold. Cheese, butter, buttermilk. So just roll that cheese through there. Try and get everything coated. Okay, now we need to get our butter out. This is some unsalted butter. And we need 6 ounces. Just about this entire cube of butter. So you grate it up. This is going to make that flakiness. Nice cold butter breaking inside of these biscuits. We're going to save just about that much butter to put on our baking sheet. So now that our butter is done, we're going to incorporate, and we're not going to crush it. We just want to fold it in. This is more of a dinner biscuit. So I want to go in with a little bit of garlic powder, just to amp it up just a little bit. So all you're going to do is you're going to coat that butter in flour. Make sure you set your oven to 375. Okay, once you got it all mixed in there and you're happy with that, we can go in with our buttermilk. And we need 1.25 cups. Make sure you shake up your buttermilk. Oh, that's some thick buttermilk. Okay, pour that right on in there. Scrape that goodness out of there. So take a little bit of flour, put it on your hands, start mixing your buttermilk. And this is not, it's going to seem like it doesn't come together, but just give it time. It will. Once you start getting it coming together in the bowl, what you're going to do is you're just going to turn it right out onto the whatever surface you're working on. So once it's like this, you can see it's sticking to my hands quite aggressively, but you can just turn it right out onto the table. Just start working this stuff together. It will eventually all come together. Okay, once you got it about like that, go ahead and flatten it out, trying to make about 1 inch thick. We're going to fold it in half and then stretch it back out again and do that again. I think I'm going to cut round biscuits this time because everybody complained last time. Gotta have the round biscuits. Mom. So I'll get it stretched back out to about 1 inch thick. Just grease up your sheet here. I'm just going to cut straight down. Pull it out. Oh yeah, you can see that nice side on there. We're just going to get as many as we can out of this piece right here. Should have stretched it a little different. It's all right. We'll manage. So I'll show you what we're going to do. I'm going to take all this. We're going to fold it back together. Okay. We're going to cut them again. We're going to take a little bit of this buttermilk and we're just going to paint the top. It's going to seal its top. It's going to make it have a nice little shiny piece to it. So we're just going to go on with a touch of this Chef Dad smoked salt. So we're going to take these right over here. We're going to put them in the oven. Middle tray. See you back. Let's take a look at our gargantuan biscuits. Look at them things. Cheese starting to flow out. They smell delicious. Wait till we get that Willy Wonka smell-o-vision. Okay. It actually took 20 minutes. Look at them bad mamma jammas. Okay, we're gonna bring this right over here. Take a look at the bottom. Look at that. That is gorgeous. beautiful. So 20 minutes, 375. These turned out super tall. Perfect. It's perfect. Look at that steam rising up out of there. These are beautiful. They smell so good. I'm gonna butter my biscuits. Give this a try. Oh, definitely put that one in your arsenal.
It's really good. I like the texture.
That's a McDonald's biscuit, but better. Man, you throw some sausage in the middle of this. Do I still got butter in my beard? Okay. Oh yeah. This video, this video up here, YouTube picked for you. This one I picked for you. And over here, that's the subscription button. Make sure you hit it.